Hi, this is Kathy Lewis at Tall Tree Designs, and this video tutorial is going to be talking about doing my favorite non-stretchy cast on. When I started knitting, I just did the basic knitted cast on until an older and wiser knitter caught me and showed me this one, and I've never looked back. So the only time I don't use this cast on is when I do need a stretchy edge, and then I use long tail cast on. But for our purposes today, I'm going to show you how to do something called cable cast on. And it's not really any harder than a basic cast on, it just creates a nicer, more finished edge. So it starts off the same. You've got a slip knot on your left needle. You're going to insert your right needle, bring the working around a yarn, and pull that loop through and put the resulting stitch on the left-hand needle. That's knitted cast on. Once we've got 2 stitches on the needle though, we're going to swap. Instead of putting our needle into this stitch, we're going to go into this space between the stitches and underneath the needle, pull our working yarn around, pull the loop through in between the stitches, and put it on our left-hand needle. Next one, I'll do it one more time. Put the needle in between the stitches, bring the yarn around, pull the loop through between the stitches, and put it on the left-hand needle. Pull it a little tighter, okay? And that's how we do cable cast on. I have a sample here that I can show you. This is what your edge will look like. There's one row knitted here, but you can see how nice and tight, and it's got this sort of little woven wrapped look to it that I really like. And that is why I use cable cast on for most of my patterns.